I make a living by making faceless YouTube videos using AI tools, and I've got 3 cheap AI tools that make videos go viral. I've even got a bonus tool if you stick with me. I'm willing to bet I know something about you. Tell me in the comments if this sounds like you. You're an aspiring YouTuber who envisions creating compelling videos that entertain or teach people and also make a few $1,000s a month. However, you don't have time to make the videos from scratch, and finding the correct AI tools and platforms is making you pull your hair out. Sound familiar? Let me help you with that. I've got 3 text-to-video AI tools sorted from least to most popular that'll blow your mind. The first AI tool on our list is Pika Labs. Let me introduce you to Pika Labs. Pika Labs is brand new and in beta testing, so you can join for free using our link in the description. So Pika Labs is comparable to Midjourney. Think of it as Midjourney's evolution. Where Midjourney uses prompts to turn text to images, Pika Labs uses prompts to turn text to video. Go to pika.art to join the beta. Join their community by subscribing to their Discord, where you can visit the Getting Started channel if you're new to using AI prompts. You'll then take your newly developed AI prompt writing skills to any of the Generate pages under the Generations tab. This will also allow you to see videos creators have made using Pika Labs. Let's take a look at a few. These look amazing and are 100% unique. No one's text-to-video output will look quite like yours. Let me show you how to actually enter a prompt. Scroll down to the message text box and type a /. Click the /create option when it appears on the screen. Enter the prompt you'd like to use in the prompt text box. Let's use the prompt from the Getting Started chat. So type "a robot walking in the forest sunset" and click enter. Your prompt will be queued up, and you kind of have to wait your turn in line. This shouldn't take long though. Let's see how our video came out. Not too shabby. You'll notice that the clips are only about 3 seconds long. You can regenerate your video by clicking the recycle icon if your video didn't quite meet your expectations. I know your expectations for free stuff are high. Tom from Shaftesbury. Feel free to click the download button if you like what you see. Here's a pro tip. The type of animation you get depends on the question you enter. For example, if you're picturing scenarios with characters in motion, such as strolling or sprinting, prepare yourself for some very fluid and entertaining graphics. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty and experiment with different prompts. Pika Labs is your dependable sidekick, ready to convert your ideas into reality. I know you guys are saying to yourselves, yes, it's free, but how free is it? Let me be clear, Tom. Pika Labs will cost you nothing. The videos you make are smooth and high quality. It is without a doubt an industry disruptor. But here's something to remember. While Pika Labs is free as of this recording, this may change in the future. It may eventually transition to a paid model. So take advantage of the opportunity to reveal your creativity and create those fantastic videos while it's still free. Who knows what the future will bring? Make the most of this tremendous resource for the time being. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face or using your own voice. The next AI tool on our list is Woxo VidGPT. I was doing research for this video, and this software legit blew my mind. Let's break down how VidGPT works. This is in demo, but it still works. Essentially, you feed this software some key info, and it'll whip up a straightforward video using pre-made images. It spices things up with a smooth transition, slapping a transcript on top of those images, all while an AI voice does the narration. This is pretty similar to what InVideo AI recently started offering. Think of it like those slideshows you see, complete with stock images, video clips, text pop-ups, AI voiceovers, and background music. It's lightning fast and super user-friendly, so you can churn out a bunch of content. Right now, the videos are all short-form content, and you can spread these videos on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube Shorts. The possibilities are pretty awesome with VidGPT. You can either click my link in the description or visit woxo.tech, log in, and choose your preferred content creation platform. We'll choose YouTube. VidGPT will display 3 sample prompts. You can use one of the sample prompts or input your own. I'll click on a sample prompt and click Generate. Give it a few seconds and it'll whip up something nice for you. We're using the free version, so we're not able to get an AI voiceover with our video. But let's see how it looks and sounds. Let us know what you think about VidGPT in the comments. Let's talk about price. I know this is your least favorite part, Tom, but bear with me. The free tier offers 100 video credits per month. Each video costs 10 credits to make, however. Different changes you may want to make cost 5 credits per edit. Free videos come with watermarks and don't come with voiceovers, premium backgrounds, or a host of other features. The Explorer plan is VidGPT's middle tier service and offers 500 credits for $14 a month, as well as no watermark videos, premium chat support, premium backgrounds, voiceovers, AI suggestions, and video scheduling. The Grow plan is their top tier service and offers everything the Explorer plan offers, as well as a total of 2,000 credits a month for $48. The third AI tool on our list is Runway ML. Runway ML is a great AI tool and is perhaps the most popular text-to-video AI tool on this list. They've got a nifty text-to-video tool. If you don't spot it right after you sign up, no worries. Just check out the section labeled Popular AI Magic Tools, and you'll find it there, named Text Image to Video, which they call Gen 2. Once you click on that, you'll get a box where you can enter your text prompt. Kind of like what you do with ChatGPT and other AI tools. There are a couple of options you can play around with. You can even upload your own image, and it'll whip up a moving video based on that. Alternatively, you can simply enter a text prompt in the field provided. Let's kick things off with a text prompt. We'll continue to use the A robot walking in the forest sunset prompt and hit that generate button. You'll have the chance to check out a free preview which shows you some examples. And here's what we got. It's just 4 seconds long, and that's the max for Runway's Gen 2. Oh, and a quick heads up, this applies even if you've got one of their upgraded plans. You can tweak the settings if you want. Hit that settings option, and you'll find choices like upscaling and removing watermarks. But keep in mind, these features require an upgraded account. There's also an option to smooth out your frames, although it's already selected by default. So that's the end result, right? If you're happy with what you see, you can download the video by clicking on the download button, and it'll save the file right away. Just remember that generating videos uses up seconds or credits. Now, up in the top right corner, you'll see that I've got just a few seconds left. Let's talk about the pricing and subscription options offered by Runway, and how much does it cost to use Gen 2? Well, it's 5 credits for each second of video generation. 1 credit equals 1 cent. They have a free tier of service starting at $0, which is great if you want to get started without spending a dime. When you sign up for free, they'll throw in 125 credits for you to use. However, there's a catch. Any videos you create will have a watermark, and you won't be able to enhance or scale up your videos to a larger size. You'll receive 125 credits each month on this free plan. If you're looking for more flexibility, Runway offers a standard plan. On this subscription, you'll enjoy 625 credits per month for $15. This should give you a good sense of what Runway's pricing and plans look like and what you'll get if you decide to start with the free option. That's not all we have for you. We have a bonus tool as a reward for watching the video so long. Pictory. Let's talk about a fantastic tool called Pictory. Pictory helped me monetize this channel, and before you ask, yes, you can create YouTube videos using only AI and make money online from Google AdSense. Yes, that includes using AI voices. Yes, that includes GPT written scripts. Yes, that includes AI video. And yes, the big YouTuber who told you that you can't was misinformed and is probably just a paid actor. The possibility of monetizing AI-powered YouTube content is endless. Pictory's script-to-video feature takes all the hassle out of video production, turning it into a straightforward and enjoyable process that can seriously level up your content. Imagine this. You've got a script and you want to make that script into an engaging YouTube video. Well, Pictory has got your back. You can try it for free, no credit card required, using my link in the description. But you really should consider subscribing if you really want to make the best text-to-video AI videos possible. Use the code DEBTBUSTERS to get 30% off your subscription. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Now that you're caught up on AI video tools, how about you watch this next video that will show you how YouTubers make millions while avoiding copyright claims. These two videos together show you how to make money on YouTube and how to not get sued in the process.